Hey guys, Nell here today and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my final review on the amazing Curl Rhythm Science of Curls products. I wanted to come on here and give my final review on these products because, as you know, some time has passed. I have seen you guys asking some questions. This video is sponsored by Curl Rhythm, and I do want to say that, you know, with using the products, I do have some thoughts, some suggestions and things that I might want to, you know, slip into the box there. So without further ado, let's get into it. So if you have been frequenting your local Dollar General, you probably have seen these products on the shelves. And one of the things that I have to say that I do love about the line is that the products are affordable. They are definitely affordable. And I have seen some comments saying that, you know, you've seen them and you're like, oh, these products are great. I love the price tag. I do too, because I love affordable products. Now, to give you guys an overview of the entire line, it does come with 6 products. It comes with your standard shampoo, conditioner. You also get a co-wash, which is always really fun. You also get a leave-in conditioner, you get a curling cream, and you also get a gel. So that pretty much gives you a good range of products to choose from depending on what you want to do with your hair. And I absolutely do have my thoughts, suggestions, and different things like that. So the first ones I do want to start off with, and I have to say that yes, these are going to be some staples. It has to be the Deep Moisturizing Curl Conditioner. Of course, it has baobab, shea, coconut, and aloe. And it also has to be the Deep Moisturizing Curl Shampoo. Now, one thing I have to say is that all the products, every single one of the products, they smell amazing. So I like that, especially if you do have protective styles as well. As you guys can see, I have been rocking them for the long haul and I still smell it. I smell the product has cleaned my scalp, it's cleansed everything, and then my hair also smells good. So that's another thing that I love. Now I have to say these are going to be staples because they absolutely have come in clutch, especially if you're somebody who suffers from dry scalp. Hi, that's now me. So I like the fact that I can use these products and they're not going to strip my hair of too many oils, but it's also going to cleanse my hair to the point where I don't have to worry about flakes or anything like that. And I love that. Now, the third product that I want to talk about is this one right here. And this is their Hydrating Cleansing Conditioner. I like to use this co-wash mainly when I'm coming up on that 2-week mark and I need something to get rid of all that buildup in my hair. And this is pretty good. One bottle would be good enough for me because like I don't use it as frequently as I use the other two, but it's really, really good if you don't want to use any type of like shampoo on your hair, or if you're just looking for something to get rid of that buildup. This product is amazeballs. The next one in the line would be their leave-in conditioner treatment, which is this one right here. And I would have to say this one is definitely going to be another repeat as far as like for purchasing. And because it is the product that has the highest moisture level, I will say yes, it's pretty good. As far as like if you need to maybe like retwist your hair at night, if you wanted to just add some more moisture back into your hair, this product is really good. I've also noticed that with using it in conjunction with other products, it does not give me crazy buildup. It does not, you know, like counteract with the other products that I may be using, whether it be a curling cream or something else. So this product is pretty good, I will say that. And now we're going to move on to the products that are mainly good for styling. And the first one would be their Curl Defining Curl Cream. This one has a moisture level of 2. I definitely did use this for a good while. Before I started doing my protective styling, I was absolutely like, this one and these two together, the leave-in and the actual curl cream together, they work very, very well. Definitely very well. And I noticed that, you know, when I'm using them together, as well as if I do want to add an oil or something, my curls were popping. Like they were seriously popping. They were defined, they were springy, they were shiny. Like, I love it. But one thing I will say is that the only con is that it doesn't have any hold for me. The first time when I used it, I noticed that it was pretty humid outside. I went out, I left a little bit out. I left some bangs out. As soon as I was out for like, I want to say like maybe 5-10 minutes, it poofed right back up. Now, the last styler that we have in the line would be their jojoba. Oh, got some hair on it. Well, at least you know I'm using the product, right? I got a little bit of hair on it. I was using this when I was installing my passion twist. But this is the last one in the line, and this is their Jojoba Curl Gel. Ironically, the gel has the lowest moisture level, but let me tell you, this gel is really good. This is another one that I would say yes, I would absolutely repurchase, mainly because this gel really comes in handy when I am doing my protective style. And in these clips where I am installing my passion twist quickly so you can see them, you'll see that I keep grabbing this gel. This gel, I want to say, is definitely a staple for me, mainly because it's really good when I need to, like, you know, do any quick fixes as far as like retwisting my hair. It's good for my edges. It's good for just like running it through my hair. And again, ironically, this is the one that this is the product that has the least moisture level. But when I take my protective style down, my hair is so soft. Especially considering that I'm putting gel on my hair is so soft. It's so silky, and I'm just like, wow, my hair feels really good. And I would say out of 6 products, 4 out of 6, that's not bad. So that tells me that the line is pretty good. Now, as far as suggestions that I will have, I don't really have any other suggestions other than, you know, I just want to get in close. Curl Rhythm, you know, like, I appreciate you guys for sponsoring this video. Is it possible we could get like a deep conditioner? You know what I'm saying? Like, it would be so nice to get like maybe a mask or a deep conditioner or something like that. I feel like that's the only thing that's missing from this line, but that's just me. Let me know what you guys think. So I did see a few comments where you guys are saying that you absolutely are seeing these products pop up. I also did see a comment that said that, you know, some of these products are popping up in the curl subscription boxes, so that's awesome too. So that is my absolute final thoughts on all of the products in the Curl Rhythm line. Let me know if you guys have tried it. Please let me know what your favorite is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, a big special thank you to Curl Rhythm for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.